हाय फ्रेंड्स, हमारे लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने पढ़ा था व्हाट इज इक्विटी शेयर्स, फीचर्स ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर्स। अब ये लेक्चर में हम पढ़ेंगे प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स। नाउ प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स मीन्स दोज शेयर्स which enjoy certain preferential treatment over equity shareholders. प्रेफरेंस शेयरहोल्डर को कुछ प्रेफरेंशियल ट्रीटमेंट मिलती है। जब भी कंपनी डिविडेंड पे करेगी, सबसे पहले डिविडेंड किसको मिलेगा? प्रेफरेंस शेयरहोल्डर, और उसके बाद में इक्विटी शेयरहोल्डर्स को पे होगा। सेम टाइम जब कंपनी का लिक्विडेशन हो रहा है, कंपनी डिसॉल्व हो रही है, यहाँ पर भी सबसे पहले आफ्टर पेमेंट ऑफ थर्ड पार्टी लायबिलिटी प्रेफरेंस कैपिटल रीपे होगा, एंड आफ्टर दैट if anything is remaining, any assets are remaining, it will be distributed to equity shareholders. So see meaning, preference shares have certain preferential rights distinct from those attached with equity shareholders. It has certain preferential rights. Preference shareholders are known as the co-owner of the company, but they are not the controller of the company. They cannot control the affairs of the business. They cannot control the management of the business. Equity shareholders क्या है? Equity shareholders are the real owners. They are the real controllers of the company. They can control the affairs of the company by voting at the meeting. But preference shareholders को कोई वोटिंग राइट नहीं। दो बड़े बेनिफिट है प्रेफरेंस शेयरहोल्डर्स को। फर्स्ट, प्रायोरिटी इन रीपेमेंट ऑफ इन द पेमेंट ऑफ डिविडेंड एंड रीपेमेंट ऑफ कैपिटल, बट दे डू नॉट एंजॉय वोटिंग राइट्स। हाउएवर, प्रेफरेंस शेयरहोल्डर्स भी वोट कर सकते हैं। कब? when their rights are affected. Only in that case preference shareholder can vote at the meeting. Preference shareholder can call a class meeting and they can vote at such meeting. Otherwise preference shareholders को कोई voting rights नहीं है. They cannot vote at the meeting, at the annual general meeting. Another thing, the rate of dividend which is paid to preference shareholder is fixed. Equity shareholder get dividend at a fluctuating rate, but preference shareholder will not get dividend at a fluctuating rate. They will get dividend at a fixed rate, which is mentioned in the articles of association. Right? So, and basically preference share capital is a safe capital. Those investors, ऐसे investors जिनको fixed rate of return चाहिए, those who are looking for fixed income, वही सिर्फ preference shares में invest करेंगे. Another thing, market value of the preference shares, equity shares की जो market value होती है keeps on fluctuating, but preference share market value will remain the same. Issue price and market price both are same. इश्यू प्राइस 100 होगा, मार्केट प्राइस भी 100 ही रहेगा. ओनली एश्योरेंस इज दैट दे विल गेट डिविडेंड एट अ फिक्स्ड रेट. ओके, नाउ टुडे वी विल सी व्हाट आर द फीचर्स ऑफ प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स. फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस है फीचर फॉर डिविडेंड, प्रेफरेंस फॉर डिविडेंड. व्हेन डिविडेंड इज डिक्लेयर्ड बाय द कंपनी, प्रेफरेंस शेयरहोल्डर गेट फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस out of the total net distributable profit. सबसे पहले डिविडेंड किसको पे होगा? प्रेफरेंस शेयरहोल्डर, and then if anything is remaining, then it will be paid to equity shareholders. So they get first preference at the time of payment of dividend. डिविडेंड पे करने के टाइम पे सबसे पहले प्रेफरेंस किसको मिलेगा? प्रेफरेंस शेयरहोल्डर्स को. ओके, सेकेंड फीचर है हमारा प्रेफरेंस फॉर रीपेमेंट ऑफ कैपिटल. अब जब कंपनी का लिक्विडेशन हो रहा है, कंपनी डिसॉल्व हो रही है, आफ्टर मेकिंग पेमेंट ऑफ ऑल थर्ड पार्टी लायबिलिटीज लाइक योर क्रेडिटर्स, बिल्स पेएबल, बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट एंड योर डिबेंचर होल्डर्स एक्सेट्रा, ये सबका पेमेंट होने के बाद सबसे पहले किसका क्लेम पे किया जाएगा? प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर, और उसके बाद में कुछ एसेट अवेलेबल है, देन इट विल बी पेड टू इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर. सो इवन इन रीपेमेंट ऑफ कैपिटल, प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर enjoys preferential treatment over equity shareholders. Okay. Third is fixed return. See, dividend is paid at a fixed rate, and this rate of dividend is predetermined. It is determined in advance, and provision is made in the articles of association. So they get dividend at a fixed rate. Like for example, if company has issued 10% cumulative preference shares, which means all the preference shareholder will get dividend at the rate of 10%, which is fixed in advance. It is predetermined. पहले ही ये decided. Okay? So rate of return, that is rate of dividend to the preference shareholder is fixed. And dividend is paid only out of profits. Only out of profits. If there is loss, even preference shareholders will not get any dividend, just like equity shareholders. Clear? Then fourth is nature of capital. Now normally see the nature of capital in case of preference shares, it's a safe capital. Why? Because here there is an assurance. या हमें एश्योरेंस मिलता है कंपनी की तरफ से कि आपको इतना % डिविडेंड तो मिलेगा ही. सपोज 10% प्रेफरेंस शेयर है तो अपने को श्योरिटी है, प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर को पता है कि एंड ऑफ द ईयर मुझे 10% डिविडेंड तो मिलने ही वाला है. सो नेचर ऑफ कैपिटल मींस नॉर्मली ओनली दोज इन्वेस्टर्स हु वांट्स टू प्ले सेफ, जिनको सेफ्टी चाहिए अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट की, दे नॉर्मली गो फॉर प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स. Those investors who are aggressive, who wants to make huge profit, they will always go for equity share. They will never opt for preference shares. So in case of preference shares, the capital is safe. There is always a safety of capital, and apart from that, they get dividend at a fixed rate. उसके बाद में fifth is market value. In case of preference shares, market value remains the same. Market value and issue price both are same. If issue price is 100 rupees, market value will also remain 100 rupees only, because preference shares are not traded in security market. Only equity shares are traded in security market. So there is a fluctuation in the valuation of equity shares, but in case of preference shares, the valuation remains the same. So market value will remain the same as the face value. Voting rights. Now, preference shareholder generally do not enjoy any voting rights. They don't have any right to vote at the meeting. For example, general meeting or extraordinary general meeting. Equity shareholders have a right to attend the meetings and vote at such meeting, but preference shareholder do not have any voting rights. However, they can vote in the matters which is affecting their rights. जहाँ पे उनके rights के ऊपर effect आ रहा है, वहाँ पे वो वोट कर सकते हैं. So they do not enjoy normal voting right like equity shareholders. Risk. Here, in case of preference shares, risk is minimum. Why? Because these shares are not traded on the stock exchange. Risk is minimum. There is always an assurance to the preference shareholder that they will get dividend at the rate of 10%. Apart from that, they also get assurance, or they also get preferential treatment as far as payment of dividend and repayment of capital is concerned. After making, in case of liquidation, after making payment of third parties, preference shareholder claim will be settled. So they have that assurance. So there is always less risk or moderate risk. यहाँ risk काफी कम है compared to equity. In case of equity, risk is higher. Next is face value. Face value of preference shares is relatively higher. हमने इक्विटी शेयर्स में देखा था. इक्विटी शेयर्स की फेस वैल्यू नॉर्मली क्या होती है? 10 रुपीज, 5 रुपीज, 2 रुपीज और समटाइम्स इवन 1 रुपी. But in case of preference shares, face value is always rupees 100. Normally it is rupees 100. It is always higher. Now, right or bonus issue. Preference shareholders do not get any benefit of the right or bonus issue. These privilege is enjoyed only by equity shareholders. Preference shareholders do not enjoy such privileges. So they don't get any benefit under right or bonus issue. And last one, nature of investor. Nature of investor, normally cautious investor or those investors who are looking for safety, they will invest in preference shares. Why? Because there is assurance of dividend. They know at what rate dividend will be paid. They know in advance. Not like equity shares. Like in case of equity shares, क्या होता है? Suppose if there is high profit, you will get dividend at a higher rate. If there is no profit, you will not get any dividend. But यहाँ पे क्या है कि shareholder is assured कि in case of profit हमें इतना dividend तो मिलने ही वाला है. So normally only those investors who doesn't want to take any risk, जिसको risk नहीं लेना है, those who are looking for safety of their investment, they invest in preference shares. Okay, so I hope your whatever doubts you may have regarding preferences will now be cleared. Now I would like to request you to like this video and give your comment what improvements we can make, and please subscribe the video. Thank you very much.